The hardest part when it comes to starting an e-commerce business is finding an idea, finding a product to sell. So in this video, we're gonna find some great product ideas by using reverse psychology a little bit. So we're gonna be watching Amazon finds on TikTok. And the reason why we're doing this is because Amazon hosts a lot of different products from Amazon brands that all come from basically Alibaba.com suppliers, and they're sold basically without much branding or anything since they're just put on Amazon. But you can take those products, make a Shopify store around them, create a whole brand around them, and start a pretty dope e-commerce business. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
Ever. This is a brush bubble. It's basically a brush cover.
Let me go back.
This is the best invention ever. This is a brush bubble. It's basically a brush cover. Now I don't have to worry about my brushes being ruined or getting dirty. It fits a lot of smaller brushes. It also helps protect my bag from getting dirty.
Okay, 2 items you need from Amazon if you go outside. Not even 10 minutes of being at the pool and my phone will get that annoying temperature warning on it, so I can't control the music that I'm playing, reply to a text, can't use the phone at all. But this is a reflective pouch, so that way your phone doesn't overheat. It also protects it from things like the sand. It's not waterproof, but it is waterproof.
Yo, something else that you can pick up from these videos, first of all, that is a really good product idea, and same with the previous one. If you're a girl, you probably know that better than I do. But another thing that you can pick up from these videos is just how these girls or guys are portraying these products, like how they're showcasing them. They're literally using all the pain points. They're giving you all the pain points that you need to be using in your ad, which is awesome. I mean, literally, how much time is this gonna save you? You can build a whole business and brand out of these little videos. So let's continue.
Resistant. However, this speaker is waterproof. It sounds really, really good too for being so tiny. Perfect size to take to the pool or the beach with you.
Amazon Favorites, episode 85. Watch closely. Can you see it? These are water cubes. They start off teeny tiny and then grow up to 200 times their size. You can dye them different fun colors, but my favorite is the magic trick. So fun.
You are going to love this easy and convenient way to make your morning juice and smoothies. This is an all-in-one tumbler with a built-in blender. It's wireless, compact with a sleek design. It is super easy to use and no big messes to clean up. Today I'm making my regular greens with chia seeds, nutso, blueberries, protein.
And by the way, all the links are in the description, so I'm gonna link this video in the description, and they have all the Amazon links on there. And from there you can go on Alibaba.com and try to find the same products and start talking to suppliers. That's the easiest way to do it, and you can even ask them if they can drop ship your product for you. A lot of them will allow you to do that, especially since, you know, you're helping their business and they're helping you. So kind of a mutually beneficial relationship, which is dope. Same with this YouTube channel.
And almond milk. Once I have all my ingredients in, I just twist the lid to close. Flip the cup over and start to blend. It blends super fast and has an automatic shut off of 40 seconds. The best part is you can drink it immediately. Just open the cap or insert a straw. Voila. Linked in my bio.
Amazon finds bathroom edition. This silicone body scrubber. It never holds bacteria and it's easy to clean. This wine glass holder. Because ladies, you know what's up.
That's kind of funny.
This wine glass. That never breaks.
That's a good ad.
This back shaver. If you're tired of shaving your man's back. This bidet that fits any toilet.
Bidets, that's a good product.
These silicone face scrubbers. A shower squeegee to keep your tiles nice and clean.
5 easy ways to baby-proof your house. I love this little cabinet lock because you just unscrew your knob, put it through, and then screw the knob back on, and it doesn't damage your cabinets. You can also go with these magnet locking devices. You just install the magnet on the back side of the cabinet, and then it comes with a key to unlock it. I like this one for door lever handles because my daughter has figured out how to unlock the door, but can't push this and slide it, so it makes it nice and safe. These are great for preventing kids from opening up their closets that open like that accordion style. You just slide that little plastic divider piece over the part that opens when you're ready to close up the closet, and then they can't get in. And then I love these gates from Bunchkin. They're adjustable to your wall size, and you can also open and close the door rather than trying to climb over your baby gates. The
hyper chiller. Brew your coffee directly into the lid, and in seconds you'll have iced coffee. No more watering it down with ice cubes. The next is this wireless portable mini chopper. This device is small, compact, but can still chop just about anything you need. I'm also loving this bendable gooseneck phone stand. It hooks onto any surface, and you can use it to watch TV or FaceTime while you work. Last is this matte keyboard cover. All of the shortcuts are written on the keys, and it also comes in a...
I like that product, the gooseneck one, because I remember a long time ago people were selling something like that goes around your neck so that you could watch your phone while you're laying in bed. But this one angled it towards people that are working from home, which I think is really, really clever, because right now more people than ever before are working from home. Therefore, something like that might fit what they need pretty well. So yeah, that's a really good one.
Light pink and blue option.
If you have a drink with a lid on it and you're outside this summer and you don't want any bugs to get in, you just slide it on, spin it over, and you're bug free.
Eco-friendly Amazon buys part 1. Stop using aluminum foil when you cook. Instead, switch to these silicone mats. They're easy to wash, come in a pack of 2, and have lasted me over 3 years.
Okay, sorry. I've seen that product before, but I've never actually thought about just the fact that it allows you to not use aluminum foil anymore. I've been using a lot of aluminum foil lately for cooking pizzas and chicken nuggets. That would be perfect.
Stop using plastic straws. Instead, try these metal collapsible ones. They're great for on the go, come with a care case and a carabiner. Stop using plastic bags and switch to these mesh bags for produce. You can store them in the fridge and take them grocery shopping. They come in a pack of 4 and are a great eco-friendly buy.
This might be the best shower head your money can buy. With 276 evenly spaced holes, it is the largest shower head on the market. Simply unscrew your old one and screw in this one. And when you let the water run, the acrylic glass creates a rainfall shower experience unlike any other shower head. You can also turn it vertically as well, and when you're done, the water empties from the shower head. So is this something you need or don't?
That's pretty cool.
These snack catchers. The top flaps are silicone, and your baby or toddler can get their hands in there to grab their snacks easily, and if they tip them upside down, there is no spilling. This play and go mat. They can drive their cars on it, but it is also reversible. When it's time to put the toys away, they all go in the middle, you pull the strings on the side, and it turns into a toy bag, so they can take it wherever they'd like to go play.
Oh, I love that.
These little baby books.
Every page is touch and feel, and babies and toddlers love them. They also have If I Were a Unicorn, If I Were a Puppy, and lots of others.
These Bunchkin baby spoons, they're affordable. They come in a pack of 6, and I find they're the perfect size for your baby and toddler's mouth, as well as easy for them to grip.
Products, I would
this
say.
inflatable bathtub for baby. It's by far my favorite baby purchase. I love the saddle horn in the middle so they can sit up without slipping, and it was under $25.
Here are my top 5 Amazon kitchen must-haves. At number 5 is my go-to utensil organizer that will save you a ton of space. At number 4 is my stainless steel ball whisk that is innovative and will make mixing a whole lot easier. At number 3 is my silicone mat that has a ton of uses, is durable, and is probably the one thing that will make your life a whole...
I'm telling you, these people are geniuses at making ads for these products. Like, they're making me want to buy this stuff, and I'm looking at these products with the intention to sell them, not buy them, but they're still making me want to buy them. And actually, that's not true. I'm probably not going to sell any of these products because I don't really want to start any more brands right now. I have 2 e-com brands, so I don't want to spread myself too thin. But that's great for you because it means that I'm giving you my genuine reaction to these products. I'm not really hiding anything, so that's pretty nice.
A whole lot easier in your kitchen. At number 2 is my see-through toaster, ensuring that you will never burn your toast again. And the number 1 kitchen must-have is this unique spatula that lets you cook ground meat and scramble eggs quickly and evenly. All the links can be found in my bio.
Here's another great Amazon find. This is the Flexi Spot desk that we put in our daughter's room. It's the perfect size and doesn't take up too much space, and it's height adjustable. When my daughter's doing online school, she's always doing it on her bed, and it hasn't been the best on her back. And because she likes to do her schoolwork in her room, we decided that this was the best solution for her. The height of the desk can be adjusted using the up and down arrows, or you could preset your desired height. My daughter's 5'7", and the desk can go even higher. This worked out perfect for her room, and we love how ergonomically friendly it is.
Part 1, I got a stethoscope holder. Keeps your stethoscope, your pens, your pen.
This is a good idea for like a niche brand targeting nursing students. I feel like that's pretty untapped.
A little notepad to take notes and scissors. 2, I got this foldable clipboard. It has all the lab values you need to know. It's a little cheat sheet, and you can put your clinical paperwork here. I keep this in my book bag to stay organized. I have hand sanitizer here, lotion, chapstick, gum. I have my sticky notes here and here. I have my phone headphones, my laptop headphones, and both of my chargers in here. I also got this badge clip that comes in a set of like 3, and I always get compliments from patients.
This is my nose glasses holder, and I keep it on my nightstand just to have my glasses right next to me. Look at how cute that is.
That's kind of funny.
Also, the bag, I double it as whenever I need to take my ring off or in the shower or something, I could just hang it right there.
Very smart.
And it's so easy. And look at how cute that is on any type of nightstand or dresser. Bio, follow for more Amazon finds.
Hold up. How deep can we go?
That's so genius.
You're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure.
That's cool, but not that cool.
You know I'm not the same.
Just blinged out everything. I mean, the cool thing about this too is that you could literally start a whole brand with the products that they showed right here. A niche brand that car lovers that are looking for bling for the car would be looking for. So I just think that stuff is so interesting. Even though it's not something I would ever buy, like ever, I could definitely see some people wanting to buy that kind of stuff clearly. Otherwise, she wouldn't be showing it off. Cool. Well, that was it. So here, as you can see, are all of the products that they talked about. So whoever made this video, I really appreciate you going so above and beyond. These are probably affiliate links, so luckily they'll make some money for this. But yeah, we're definitely taking advantage of this trend by getting all these amazing product ideas. But let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, if you got any ideas at all. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this type of content regarding the digital revolution that we're living in. You know, making money online, I think, is just amazing. And I'm super happy to be able to share all this stuff with this community. And yeah, that's all I got for today. I hope y'all have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.